People out there both love and hate Valentine's Day. This is largely dependent on your relationship status when the day comes. For singles, it will be hard to avoid and forget about the romantic holiday this year since it falls on a Saturday. So why not make this the Valentine's Day where you actually participate in something different, where it could lead your love life somewhere? The Wine Room is introducing the event Be Seduced by Pinot Noir. The Wine Room is a new concept offering guests an exclusive and intimate setting with high-class service. This type of venue adds a different element to the island. This is the perfect place for people who share a passion for wine and food.
Well, Aruba has different themes all around. You have the beautiful restaurants, but they're on a very, in a way, a bit commercial setting, so lots of people. I'm different because I give a very exclusive service. It's a smaller scale. People who are more detailed and more service oriented will visit the Wine Room. People with let's call them foodies, and people that can share a beautiful story about a wine country, or sharing nice stories about cooking, and etc. etc. It's all about the experience.
With a digital fireplace and cozy atmosphere, singles can take part in a unique Valentine's Day the Wine Room is planning.
This Valentine's Day we have an event called Séduit par Pinot Noir. In English that's translated Seduced by Pinot Noir. I want to create this new theme because most single people sometimes hates Valentine's Day. So this is for them to get a chance to let's say hook up with someone in a very nice and charming setting. People get 5 minutes to talk with another person. So we're aiming for 10 females and 10 males. The males will dress all black and the females will dress all white.
Each guest will have 5 minutes to interact with each other while sipping Pinot Noir. Monrick says, expect the unexpected.
I mean, at the end of the evening, it's about a nice experience. It's about meeting someone new. And if you happen to fall in love, well, it's your choice, huh? I mean, I only create a setting.
This romantic holiday doesn't have to be just for couples. Join the celebration and take part in Valentine's Day this year at the Wine Room.
If you're single and you like a glass of wine, don't think any further. Just come to the Wine Room. I'll be your host and you'll have fun. Be open. Be open this Valentine's Day, and be open for Pinot Noir. Be open for love, if you will, and have fun. I give you the opportunity to actually make a nice day out of this Valentine's Day.
You can call Monrick at 737-0019 to sign up for Seduced by Pinot Noir. The Wine Room is looking to host 10 men and 10 women, so spaces are limited. The event will include 4 glasses of Pinot Noir paired with tapas for $100 per person. And of course, you can't put a price on the new company that you will meet. So do something different this Valentine's Day.